Hi, I'm Pat McGrew, the inkjet production mail evangelist, and in this segment of our GraphExpo print sample videos, I want to talk about some of the print quality samples we're doing. Now, this is a term you might not be familiar with because we've actually divided our print sample story into two. Many of our print samples are being developed around application stories, direct mail, publishing, transaction, data-driven, and these application stories are an important way for us to communicate to potential customers about what the possibilities are of what you can do with an inkjet web press. But we still need to talk about print quality, and we have a great print quality story. So what we're trying to do is develop print quality samples that really tell that story well. So this time for Graph, you're going to see a couple of new things. We have brought with us, the first thing I'll show you is this great MICR check. So here's the MICR check, and you'll see it's got the void pantograph on the back. Does have information on the back about the, it's actually upside down. It does have information on the back, so when you pick it up, you'll know what you're looking at. So these are MICR checks that are using our standard A50 inks, but also now our new MICR 10 ink. And the MICR is an important piece. So if you're talking to direct mailers or transaction printers, they're probably already familiar with what MICR buys them. It's magnetic ink character recognition. And what MICR ink does is actually allow you to read through an envelope if you'd like. It has for many years been used as a part of check processing. But in addition to check processing, direct mailers know that it's a fast way for them to be able to pre-sort incoming envelopes into different functional bins as to how they'll be handled based on the information that's on the MICR inside the envelope. So MICR has a lot of uses beyond checks. So we're really happy, and we'll be able to show this to you. I think you'll find that it's a really impressive new ink and is doing exactly what we want it to do. If you need more information, certainly don't hesitate to contact any of the specialists, the high-speed inkjet web specialists, because we'll be happy to talk to you about it. So this is one piece you should be looking for at the show. The other pieces that you should be looking for at the show are these great pages from the Bird book. So if you're familiar with our Secrets for Attracting Birds book, it is a beautiful book. It had just some beautiful images in it, some great images of birds. It allows us to show the detail that we can render on the page, and this is really great because we're showing it on the new inkjet gloss, and this paper just makes these images shine. So please don't hesitate to come by and get copies of our Stellar J page or our House Wren page. We'll have both of these in abundance at GraphExpo, and these are really great pieces to show off exactly what the web press can do. It is not uncommon for customers to say to us, yes, but I print a lot of black and white. They may be publishers, but they may not be publishers. They may be doing other types of printing. And the thing that we know about black and white printing is that very often it's a requirement to render images as well as just really great crisp text. So we're really thrilled with this piece. This is a great black and white page that's out of a textbook, and it is just beautifully done. The grays hold, the image depth holds. I think that you'll be really impressed with it, and you can put a loop down on this text and it looks absolutely amazing. So don't forget to take a look and in our stack of print samples and find your copy of our black and white page. And of course you're probably already familiar with our tiger, right? Great page for showing things like how detailed we are in the hair through the nose, the difference in the transition from the end of the hair onto the nose line, the depth of field in the eyes. These are really great pieces. So don't hesitate to come by our space. If you'll be looking for us at GraphExpo, we'll be right along the back wall of the Indigo Theater, and we'll have our publishing area, our inkjet print quality area, and then our direct mail and commercial areas across that back, and we'll be thrilled to talk to you there. Thanks again for listening. I hope to see you on another video.